Yo guys, what up? Dugam Gaming here, and today I am going to teach you how to do the Rubik's Cube second layer. Alright. So we're gonna begin on the first layer. If you don't know how to do the first layer and the cross yet, check out the link on the description below. I have tutorials for that, and also the basic moves. If you don't know it yet, check out the link in the description below. So we'll start at the orange and blue edge. Yeah. In doing this, make sure that the orange on the top is aligned on the orange center. There. Blue and orange edge. It has to be away, aligned and away from the orange center on top. If you want to know this, do this algorithm. Once you've done this algorithm, look left. If the piece is on the left side, and do that algorithm. Do that. Next, we're gonna solve the red and green edge. So first thing we do is align the green and do this algorithm. Look right, since it's on the right side, and do this. Next, with the orange and green, it's already aligned. There and there. You're gonna put it here. Do this. And look right. It's on the right side, and do this. Lastly, the blue and red edge, align it on the blue side, away from the alignment of the blue side, away, the farthest. It's on the left side. I'm gonna put it on the left side, so do this. Left. Do this. It's all solved. Bye. Bye.